Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add email pop-up on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So we all know adding a email pop-up on your Shopify store can actually boost up your communication with your clients or your potential customers. Well, for us to do that, we need to install an application because currently it is not by default supported by Shopify. So we need to access or install an application for this one. But no worries, this one is going to be actually for free. So at the bottom left here, go ahead and click on apps. It's going to redirect you into the app section and search bar. And what we need to do here is we need to search for the following application. So it's going to be Pop Convert here, and just press on enter. It's going to load up the Shopify App Store. And what we need to do here is just look for Pop Convert here. Just click on it. And as you can see, you will be able to install it. Just click on install. And once we click on it, it's going to redirect you to another section again, wherein you just need to basically click on the section that says install. So in this case, just wait for it to load up. Here, click on install app again. And once you've done that, it's going to load up and the installation process should now initiate on your store. Now, once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and click on the pin to your navigation, so you'll be able to access it immediately. In this case, what we need to do next is we need to go ahead and start creating our pop-up. So at the bottom left here, you should see the campaign section. Go ahead and click on pop-up. And from here, click on the option that says create campaign. Now from here, we want to basically get subscribers. So ask for emails or phone numbers. And then from here, just click on create pop-up. And from here, we also have to enter a name. So for example, I want to say this is going to be a sample pop-up name. Click on create pop-up here. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically start editing our pop-up. As you can see, immediately it's going to create it for us. So you can change a few things here, like the colors, the text, background color. If you want to upload a background image, you could go ahead and do that as well. Now, also, you could go to the other section here, like content, settings, display, and conversion. So obviously, there's going to be a lot here. So if you also want to view the mobile version for it, you can go ahead and click on the mobile option here. As you can see, it actually looks really good as of this moment. Now, in this case, once you're done editing your pop-up here, you could go ahead and start saving it. So at the top right of your screen, you can go ahead and click on save and publish. And once you've done that, you could go ahead and go back to Pop Convert. So go ahead and click on it at the left section here. And from here, go to pop-up again and make sure that it's currently active. So you know it's active. It says active here. It's color green. Now, once you've done that, the next thing we want to do is we want to verify that we have it installed or ready in our store. So typically when you actually open up your store here, it should pop up here any second now. So let's just wait for it to pop up. And as you can see, it is now the pop-up that we see right now. But yeah, so that's how you add email pop-up on Shopify. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.